If you think you have seen everything Apple has to offer, you are in for a massive surprise. The year 2026 is shaping up to be the most ambitious year for the company since the original iPhone launched. We are talking about a complete shift in how Apple sells its products. For the first time ever, Apple is expected to split its iPhone launches into two separate events. Early in the year, we should see the iPhone 17e. This is the more affordable option that people have been waiting for. It will finally look modern with slimmer bezels and a return of MagSafe charging. This is a huge deal for budget buyers who want a phone that feels premium without the Pro price tag. But the real shocker comes in September. Apple is rumored to skip the standard iPhone 18 entirely. Instead, they will only launch the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. If you want the latest flagship, you'll have to go Pro. These phones are expected to feature under-screen Face ID. This means the dynamic island could be gone for good. You would get a totally clean screen with just a tiny hole for the camera. Under the hood, the new A20 chip will be built on a 2nm process. This will make the phone faster and much more power efficient. The main camera might even get a variable aperture. This gives you professional control over how much light enters the lens. The headline of the year is definitely the first foldable iPhone. Apple has been working on this for years to make sure they get it right. It will likely use a book-style design that opens up to a massive 7.6-inch display. When it is closed, it stays compact with a 5.3-inch screen. Apple is focusing on making this the thinnest foldable on the market. Because it is so slim, they might put Touch ID in the power button instead of using Face ID. The best part is that rumors say Apple has finally solved the crease problem. When you open the phone, the screen should look perfectly flat. It will be expensive, possibly costing up to $2,500, but it will be the ultimate status symbol. The iPad lineup is also getting some much-needed love. The basic iPad will finally get the A19 chip. This is important because it allows the cheapest tablet to run Apple Intelligence features. Students and casual users will finally have access to the same AI tools as the Pro users. We are also expecting a brand new iPad Air with the M4 chip for better gaming and video editing. However, the most exciting update is for the iPad mini. It is finally getting an OLED display. This will make colors pop and blacks look deep. Apple might even remove the physical speaker holes and use a vibration-based system for sound. This would make the small tablet more water-resistant and sleeker than ever. In the world of Macs, Apple is targeting a new audience. They are rumored to release a low-cost MacBook priced well under $1,000. It might even start as low as $600. It will use an LCD screen and a mobile-class chip to keep the price down. This is the perfect machine for students who just need to write papers and browse the web. For the power users, a redesigned OLED MacBook Pro is coming. This model could finally include a touchscreen and 5G connectivity. Imagine being able to work anywhere without needing a Wi-Fi hotspot. It would also be much thinner and lighter, making it the perfect tool for professionals on the move. Apple is also moving deeper into your home. A new Home Hub device is expected in the spring. This is a smart display you can mount on your wall or keep on your counter. It will let you control your lights, make FaceTime calls, and check your security cameras. Speaking of cameras, Apple might launch its own indoor security camera that works perfectly with HomeKit. This hub will be the center of your smart home and will rely heavily on the new Siri. We are also expecting a new Apple TV and an AirTag 2 with better range. These smaller updates will make the entire Apple ecosystem feel more connected and secure. The biggest change you will actually feel is the software. In early 2026, Apple will release a massive update to Siri. This isn't just a small tweak. They are rebuilding Siri from the ground up using large language models. The new Siri will be able to see what is on your screen and understand your personal context. If you ask it to find a photo from last week and send it to a friend, it will actually do it. Later in the year, iOS 27 will arrive. This software will be specifically tuned for the new foldable iPhone. It will focus on making the experience stable and fast, moving away from flashy features and focusing on pure performance. Finally, we might get a sneak peek at Apple's next big category, AI smart glasses. These won't have big screens like the Vision Pro. Instead, they will look like normal glasses and focus on audio and AI. They will use cameras to see the world and tell you what you're looking at.